Alright, I'm just going to make some hybrid video real quick. This is for Deforum Stable Diffusion hybrid video. Let's start out by changing the steps to 50. We're going to do a nice square video, 512 by 512. And down here you will see me changing some values. I did this recording earlier and I'm just recording audio over it now. Strength to 0.9. Scale schedule to 25. And color coherence we're going to set to video input so that every frame is matched against the video as far as color goes. I want to take the noise all the way down. I don't want any noise. And I'm going to change the noise type to uniform in case I do decide to put noise on. And we're going to take the amount of anti-blur down to 0 because we don't want any anti-blur on our video. Now again, this is all your own preference. Let's use a simple prompt here for this video. Oh, it looks like I spelled infinite wrong. Well, it's going to work anyway because I know it did because I recorded this video earlier. And let's change our video init path to the path of the video that we want to use. This is a very impromptu video. I just want to get something down for you. And we're going to check hybrid generate input frames to make sure that it grabs our video frames. And I'm changing the strength for the init to, let's say, 0.74. And that's because we're going to be using this hybrid use first frame as init image. Changing hybrid motion to optical flow and the hybrid flow method to DIS medium. And we're going to check hybrid composite. And you'll notice that no hybrid comp mask type, just hybrid composite. Now we got hybrid comp alpha schedule. This is the overall mix level that we're going to mix the video in with. And I'm going to change that to 0.5. So every frame, it's only going to mix that in halfway with the last frame. And I'm just going to change some FPS settings here for 30 FPS. I don't really need a high quality for this, so let's just say 24. That's a pretty low CRF quality. And we are going to save the settings, and we're going to click Generate. Sorry I didn't record my mouse movements. I will next time. And looks like we have a init video path error. So I had to change the video init path because I forgot to change my path properly for that video init. And go ahead and save again. And we're going to hit generate. And now it looks like we're getting an ETA. And you'll notice I go and I uncheck hybrid generate input frames. And that's because you don't need to generate them once they're generated. So go ahead and uncheck that. And then once you're done, you can save it. And you don't need to generate the frames again. You can just make multiple videos. Now, I just interrupted this video. And that's because I noticed right away that we were zooming. So I changed the zoom to 1. You want to kill all the animation motion here if you're going to be doing hybrid video, unless you want to do some experimental stuff and add motion. And here we go, rendering again with generate. And this time, it looks like we have good hybrid video with no motion going on, no zooming. And we can just let it go. So while it's going and rendering, I'll just talk about some general ideas about settings. Most of my hybrid video that you'll see me make, I'm at strength, pretty high strength, anywhere from 0.85 to 0.95. Now with strength, there's always a relationship to steps. So if you take 100 steps and you're at strength setting 0.9, every frame except for the first frame, you're only going to get like 10 steps out of that. So when you're doing high strength, you have to up the step count proportionally so that you're obeying how that works. So I may want to change the step maximum in here, because right now the step maximum is only 200. So if you have strength 0.95, steps 200, you're only going to get 10 steps total. Actually, I think sometimes it shows 9 steps. Anyway, this is coming out pretty good here. You know, we can see Lego people. The original video definitely did not have Lego people. They were actual people. And I'm going to interrupt it at part way so we can see the finished product. And there we go. And you have options to add the sound from the init in your video output section if you want to do that kind of thing. Enjoy.